Established in 1979 under the Gokula Education Foundation, Mississippi Ramaya Medical College stands as a pillar of excellence in medical education and healthcare. Affiliated with Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences and recognized by the National Medical Commission (NMC), MSRMC has nurtured generations of doctors committed to healing, innovation, and service. MSRMC offers a spectrum of programs beginning with the 5.5-year MBBS degree, blending rigorous academics with hands-on clinical exposure. Postgraduate aspirants pursue MD, MS, and diploma programs across 25 GR1 specialties including general medicine, general surgery, pediatrics, obstetrics and gynecology, and radiology. Super specialty DM, MCH courses in fields like cardiology, neurology, and surgical oncology elevate expertise, supported by cutting edge research and global collaborations. Admission to MBBS requires NEET UG eligibility, with candidates needing 50% GR1 in PCB, physics, chemistry, biology. For MD or MS, Nebraska ETPG scores and an MBBS degree are mandatory. The process is streamlined, apply online, attend centralized counseling, and secure your seat. Scholarships and merit-based fee waivers ensure inclusivity for deserving talent. At the heart of MSR, MC is its 1,700-bed tertiary care teaching hospital equipped with advanced ICUs, modular OTs, and a trauma center. The campus features AI-powered simulation labs, a 24/7 digital library, and auditoriums hosting global medical conferences. Students reside in secure hostels, recharge at sports complexes, and engage in community health camps, embodying the college's ethos of service to humanity. Beyond academics, MSRMC thrives on holistic growth. Annual events like Erogia and Medifest blend medical debates with cultural vibrancy. Alumni lead as renowned surgeons, researchers, and public health advocates, with many securing residencies at institutions like AIMS and Johns Hopkins. Over 80% of graduates excel in placements or global higher studies. At MS Ramaya Medical College, education transcends textbooks. Here, future healers learn to blend compassion with cutting-edge science, transforming lives one patient at a time. Your journey to medical excellence begins now.